Hi, I'm Britt with Garmin's product support team. Today, I'm going to tell you about some exciting changes available with the latest software update for your Garmin Outdoor Multi-Sport Watch. This video is broken up into chapters which cover additions for the Fenix 7 and similar products. Use the timeline below or the chapters to move ahead for specifics. The first chapter will cover the latest software update for your D2 Mach 1, Enduro 2, Epix Gen 2, Epix Pro Gen 2, Fenix 7, Fenix 7 Pro, Mark Gen 2, Quadix 7, and Tactix 7 series multi-sport watches. During this video, on-screen links will be displayed for you to learn more or to set up these features. While viewing this video on YouTube, these links are also available in the description. You will automatically receive this update if your watch is paired to Garmin Connect application or if you've enabled Wi-Fi sync. The first section we'll discuss is activity improvements. We'll begin with the new jump rope activity. When you open the jump rope activity, you'll be able to select from free, fixed time, or fixed reps. If you select either of the fixed options, you'll be asked to enter in a value. The app will remember your selection, but you can always change this from the menu. Your watch will automatically log each jump. For advanced users, this means that you can do single, double, or triple unders, and the watch will still track each jump. Now we'll discuss the 400-meter running track database. This improves the first-time use of the track run profile. When starting a track run activity, it will record your outdoor track run data, including distance in meters and lap splits. Additionally, your watch will automatically review the Garmin Community Running Track database to compare the lane start and endpoints. This means when you show up to a new track, there's a good chance that your watch will lock on right away. Otherwise, the watch will calculate the lane after approximately 3 laps. Now we'll discuss the multi-sport auto transition during activities such as triathlons, duathlons, and more. During the transition period from sport to sport, your watch will detect the change and automatically take care of recording splits. Our next section covers a wellness enhancement for sleep metrics. While your watch already provides a sleep score, with the Sleep Coach glance, it will now give you a personalized metrics into how much sleep you should be getting. This new glance will include sleep stages and nap details to better understand your sleep. The last enhancement we'll cover is the user improvement to the flashlight hotkey. While your watch stores the last used flashlight state, you will now have access to quick flashlight controls, where you can make fast brightness or color changes right on the screen. Thank you for taking the time to learn about what's new in the latest software update for your Garmin Outdoor Multi-Sport Watch. To learn more about your product, be sure to check out the links in the description or visit us at support.garmin.com.